I'm going to open the house with this key.
Your new apartment.
My hand is frozen.
Okay,
No, but it's not turning.
it's not turning. Maybe it's the other key.
Hi guys, so I have just now decided that I'm going to vlog my moving from New York to Michigan part. Let me give you an update as to what all has happened till now. I had my flight from Delhi on 27th December, flew to Abu Dhabi and then to New York. Reached New York on 28th December. So today we're finally getting down to doing like a final packing. I have a lot of stuff. I did not travel light. Hi guys, we've reached Detroit, Michigan. Our flight just landed, so it's about 8:30 a.m. on the 1st of Jan 2025. Currently, my sister has gone to get a car for rent, and then we'll be driving to Ann Arbor, which is about 45 minutes from here, Detroit Airport. The flight was pretty great. We got upgraded to business class, so that was pretty exciting. Not that it mattered much because it was a 1.5-hour long flight, but still pretty exciting. So we've reached our room and about 20% of the unpacking is done. We've unpacked the kitchen stuff and now we're gonna unpack the bathroom as well as the clothes stuff. And I'm still wearing my snow jacket inside the room because the thermostat is not working and it's extremely cold, like my hands are frozen and it's, snowing outside. I wonder what the snow version of a drizzle is, because that's what's happening outside. It's like snowing very lightly. So yeah, and that's my sister who's helping me out. She's the real MVP of this expedition. Because this is literally an expedition. It's like it's about what's the temperature inside? It's about 34 Fahrenheit, which must be what, 0 degrees Celsius? So yeah, this is an expedition, and I will keep you updated. Bye bye. Hey guys, so good news that the heat is back on again, and we went shopping. We got a lot of essentials done, and now we have a lot of bags that we have to take up to the third floor, which is another adventure yet to be taken. Good morning, everybody. So today is 3rd of Jan. It's about 8 a.m. and today is the day of the orientation. Today will be my very first day to UMich School of Dentistry. Wow, yay! Excited. Anyway, yeah, so I've just woken up. Let me freshen up real quick. Hi guys, I'm back from my very first day to UMich School of Dentistry. Today was our orientation, so we were required to wear business casuals and not scrubs. Generally, we have to wear scrubs when we go to school. And today I wanted to film in the school. However, we just didn't have much time, it was too busy for me to sit down and film anything. Anyhow, so it was pretty exciting. I think the most exciting part I've saved for the last, which is unpacking this iPad. So we do get an iPad from school, and it has basically all the coursework and everything in it already, on the cloud as well. So we can access it through any device. Let's unpack this iPad and let's see what's in it. Yep, so charger, Apple Pencil, as well as an iPad with a keyboard. No. Yes. Right. I am yet to figure this out. Anyway. Yeah. So that was the unpacking of my Umish iPad. Other than that, orientation was pretty straightforward. We had introductions, we met a few faculty members, we got our instruments, we got to see the bench we'll be working on for the next 6 months. We got a tour of the clinics, we got information about how the clinic system works, a little bit about it. In all, it was a very information-packed day. And I hope I was able to assimilate at least half of the information that they threw at us, because honestly it was a lot of information all at once. But yeah, we will tackle it one day at a time. The orientation aside, as far as it comes to unpacking has been going on rather well, I would say. So 1st of Jan, that was a tough day, to be honest. The thermostat of the house was not working, and you as soon as you enter a new place, there's just a lot of resistance for you to acclimate yourself to that new place, right? So 1st of Jan was hard. However, on 2nd of January, which was yesterday, we had a really long day where me and my sister, we unpacked most of my stuff. Moreover, the thermostat was working, the hot water was working, everything was working, so things were going well. By the time it was about 6 p.m, we were spent. We were dead tired, so we just ordered pizza and went to bed early in order to, be ready for 3rd of Jan. 3rd of Jan would be my first day to school, which is the orientation day, which is today. So yeah, I couldn't record anything in between, but I hope you guys saw the process, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me move countries and then move from one state to the other, and then to also start school. I hope this was informative to you, and I hope it was of value to you. If you want me to do a room tour, make sure to comment below room tour, and I'll see what I can do about it. Other than that, so yeah, that was it for this time's vlog. I hope to do more of these vlogs super soon. So if you like this vlog, definitely comment below and tell me to do more vlogs so that I can be more motivated to do more of these vlogs. That would be of great help. And yes, if you are a dental student or a dentist who's curious about dentistry and how it's practiced abroad, or if you're somebody who's gained licensure in some other country and wants to practice in the US or Canada, make sure to follow me for more such content. Please do like, comment, and share this video if you liked it. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video, and till then, bye bye and best of luck.